in search of healthy keto salmon steak. This is very simple, yet the most tastiest salmon steak you'd ever try. Here's about slightly over 2 pounds of Atlantic salmon steak. You start with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, sprinkle of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is the secret ingredients in this special recipe. And about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and crushed garlic. You can use garlic paste. It's even better. And that's about it. You mix it up. The optional thing that I like, if I have some fresh either cilantro or parsley, you can add them up in marination and mix it gently. And this will go in the regular fridge for about at least 15 minutes. 30 minutes I would recommend, because that way, if the steak is thick like this is about 1.25 inch thickness. That will require a little bit extra time in both grilling time and in marination time. I would leave this for 30 minutes, and all I have to do after that, bake it in 400 degrees for probably 20 minutes, and that's it. Okay, after 30 minutes, 400 degrees, about 20 minutes into the oven. Okay, after 20 minutes, here it is. Grilled salmon. Simple yet delicious. Enjoy.